I know this is nothing like my normal videos, but every September, my wife and I, the kid, we go on holidays because it's our anniversary week. So we're camping, we got the truck, we got a cabin, we got a lake. We are gonna be staying in this little cabin. I will show you what it looks like after we have it all set up, the bed, whatnot. But it should be pretty cozy, and I'm really looking forward to this. So all I'm doing is getting this fire ready to go, building up a nice bed of coals, because we're gonna be doing a foil pack for the first night. So we wanna make sure this is hot, good to go. We can do some cooking. For tonight's meal, we're gonna be having potatoes, onions, sausage, and shrimp, all in a foil pack. I'm gonna make 2 foil packs, one for each of us, me and the wife. And that is our meal. The dog's going nuts because he's nuts. But yeah, that's what we're having. All right, so we got both foil packs with all the things, the shrimp, 2 of them. Add a little bit of garlic to each one. Probably a good amount. Butter. Okay, so a bunch of butter on each of them. Kosher salt generously because there is a lot of food here. And parsley flakes. Now I just got to give them a mix, make sure everything's incorporated. Just use your hands. It's camping. Everything's covered. Wrap them up. It's going on the fire. As you can see, it's golden hour. 4 packs are done. Let's just see how these things are looking. Open mine up. That's a kid, if you're wondering what that sound is. You didn't guess already. Oh my god. So this smells absolutely amazing. So this is how it turned out. Shrimp, potatoes, onions, and sausage. Just looking so good. It's early in the morning. I am just making some coffee for myself and the wife. The fog is all over the lake. It's beautiful there right now. I do also have a beer on the go because it's holidays. Of course, after we have a coffee, I'm gonna have to make breakfast, and on the menu this morning is gonna be sausages and pancakes. So we got some sausages on the go. Pancakes next. Blueberry pancakes to be exact. And then we eat. Blueberry pancakes are on the go. We'll be eating soon. And this is breakfast. Pancakes and sausage. It's currently September 15th. We're just hanging out at the lake at our campsite, enjoying these awesome views. It's nice and calm, it's not too windy, we got the fire going, and we just couldn't be happier with the way that our vacation is going. It's our second evening here, and I don't know, see if I can get that to focus, but yeah. Getting close to golden hour. Got a big jug of rum and coke. It's our last night staying. The air mattress does not hold air. I have to get up at least 2 or 3 times in the night to pump it back up. But other than that, it's been perfect. It's supposed to rain tonight, which I'm gonna love, because on that shed, it's gonna sound, or the cabin, whatever you want to call it, it's gonna sound really nice, relaxing. So we're just gonna finish our drinks and start getting ready to make our last dinner at the campsite.
We're on our annual September camping trip, and we're having an amazing time. We just wanted to take a minute and say to Steve, Camping with Steve, that we are very, very sorry for your loss.
Steve, we are very, very sorry. You inspire us to do a whole bunch of different types of cooking, different recipes, and stuff like that. And we are so sorry for your loss. So sorry. We just wanted to say that, and thanks for inspiring us to do more camping. Steve, this one's for you. The first video my wife and I ever watched of you, you made Frito pie for dinner. Not the fanciest recipe, but it does sound delicious. So we're gonna add the chili, we're gonna add the cheese, we're gonna add the sour cream, and probably some chives to top it off. Thanks so much for your content. We love it so much, and we hope to see you on screen again when you're ready to go. The Frito pie was amazing. I just want to thank you guys for joining us on our holiday. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's not what I normally do, but I just want to show you guys a little bit more personal stuff. Just us hanging out, enjoying our camping holiday. So thanks for stopping in. This has been Backwoods. We'll see you in the next one.